Did you know that abdominal aortic aneurysm rupture claims the lives of 50% of its victims before they can reach medical care? Ultrasound is the ideal modality to avoid this catastrophic complication. Surprisingly, few medical professionals understand how to interpret these ultrasounds and recognize pathology. I'm here to equip you with a truly life-saving skill set. My name is Liz Tenny. I'm a registered vascular technologist at Stanford Healthcare in the Vascular Surgery Department, where I lead their Quality Improvement Committee. In this Med Mastery Masterclass, you'll learn anatomy and pathology of the abdominal aorta and how to use bedside ultrasound for abdominal aortic aneurysm screening. Through the use of ultrasound, we can reduce the need for invasive and radiation-heavy CT scans. Ultimately, we can detect aortic aneurysms early and offer efficient preoperative preparation and long-term follow-up for patients with an endograft. See you in the first lesson.
So I hope you liked this video. Absolutely make sure to check out the course this video was taken from and to register for a free trial account which will give you access to selected chapters of the course. If you want to learn how Med Mastery can help you become a great clinician, make sure to watch the About Med Mastery video. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.